Chief Pilot Dave Mackay, I'll be flying VSS Unity into space on the Unity 22 mission, joined by a full crew of Virgin Galactic mission specialists.
Pilot Mike Masucci, I'll be in the cockpit for my second spaceflight.
Astronaut 004, Sarisha Bandla. I'll be testing the researcher experience.
Astronaut 003, Colin Bennett. I'll be evaluating cabin procedures during boost and weightlessness.
Astronaut 002, Beth Moses. I'll be spaceship cabin lead and test director.
Astronaut 001, Richard Branson. I'll be evaluating the customer spaceflight experience. As the Virgin Galactic founder, I am so proud to have this remarkable crew of mission specialists and pilots by my side as we fly to space. I've always been a dreamer. My mum taught me to never give up and to reach for the stars. This July, our dream will become a reality. And we're really excited to share that moment with you all. And when we return, I will announce something very exciting to give more people the chance to become astronauts. Because space does belong to us all. So watch this space.